Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's a key feature that affects the curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency of your home. In a city like Dallas, where weather extremes and the desire for stylish homes go hand in hand, choosing the best front door replacement is an important decision. Whether you're looking to improve your home's aesthetics, increase security, or reduce energy costs, here are some tips to help you select the ideal front door replacement for your Dallas home. Consider the climate. Dallas is known for its hot summers, mild winters, and occasional extreme weather events like hail and heavy rain. When choosing a front door, it's essential to select a material that can withstand the local climate. Some options to consider include fiberglass doors. These doors are highly durable and resistant to the elements. They are an excellent choice for Dallas homeowners, as they can handle the summer heat and winter's chill without warping or swelling. Plus, they can be designed to mimic the look of wood without the upkeep. Steel doors. Steel is another sturdy option that offers excellent security and weather resistance. While it may dent in extreme situations, modern steel doors often come with weatherproof coatings and insulation to keep your home comfortable year-round. Wood doors. While beautiful and classic, wood doors require more maintenance to protect them from the moisture and heat in Dallas. If you love the look of wood, be prepared for occasional sanding, painting, or refinishing to maintain the door's integrity. Prioritize energy efficiency. Dallas homeowners experience high temperatures in the summer and can face chilly nights in the winter. Energy efficiency is a key factor in choosing a front door replacement. A well-insulated door can help keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter, potentially lowering your energy bills. Look for doors with thermal insulation. Fiberglass and steel doors with core insulation can significantly reduce energy loss. Look for doors with a high R value, which measures thermal resistance, to ensure maximum energy efficiency. Energy Star rating. Doors that have earned the Energy Star label meet strict energy efficiency standards. These doors can help reduce your home's heating and cooling costs by keeping drafts at bay. Aesthetic appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home. Selecting a door that complements the style of your house can enhance your curb appeal and make your home stand out in your neighborhood. Design options. Choose from a wide variety of styles, including classic, contemporary, or rustic. Glass inserts, side lights, and decorative hardware can help add a touch of elegance or a personal touch to your front door. Color and finish. Opt for colors and finishes that match your home's exterior. Bold colors like red or navy blue can create a dramatic effect, while neutral tones like black or white offer timeless elegance. Custom features. If you want a truly unique look, many door manufacturers offer customization options. Whether you want a particular style of glass, custom dimensions, or specialty finishes, it's worth exploring all the possibilities. Security features. Safety is a top priority for any homeowner, and your front door plays a crucial role in securing your home. Look for doors that provide strength and durability, as well as additional security features. Solid construction. Choose a door made from a strong material like steel or fiberglass, which are harder to break into compared to hollow core options. Locking mechanisms. Ensure the door comes with high-quality locks, such as deadbolts and multi-point locking systems, for added security. Consider upgrading to smart locks or a keypad entry system for convenience and safety. Reinforced frames. The frame of the door is just as important as the door itself. Reinforced frames offer better protection against forced entry. Professional installation. While it may be tempting to DIY your front door replacement, professional installation is essential for ensuring that your new door is properly fitted, insulated, and secured. In Dallas, you can find skilled contractors who specialize in door replacements, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. An expert installer will make sure your door is aligned correctly, weather-sealed, and free from gaps. This is crucial for energy efficiency and to prevent drafts or leaks. A well-installed door also enhances security, as a poorly fitted door can leave your home vulnerable to break-ins. Conclusion. Choosing the best front door replacement for your Dallas home involves more than just picking out a stylish option. Consider factors like climate, energy efficiency, aesthetics, security, and professional installation to make the best decision. By carefully evaluating your needs and exploring your options, you can select a front door that not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also provides long-term value, comfort, and safety. Whether you opt for a classic wood door or a sleek fiberglass design, investing in a high-quality front door will pay off for years to come.